but there's certain things you can't really miss out on filming. Today we're picking up a new car. Le garage porte. Le Porsche garage. Ouais, de l'année. J'ai 2 clés. Mais ça c'est mon bébé.
Et ça c'est ton bébé.
Waouh. Yes. Je crois que je l'aime.
Moi, ce que je te propose, tu la rentres là en marche arrière,
Ouais.
tu veux, et tu te mets devant le showroom classique,
Ouais.
comme tu veux avec le Porsche.
Très cool.
Je te laisse gérer.
Oh. New car again,
So cool. Nice reverse camera. Oh my God. What? This is the first time I see it outside, and it's insane. I mean, the spec for me is just perfect. And just even driving it up here, it's my first ever Porsche. What a surreal feeling. And the guys here have been so nice in sorting this all out. Oh, I'm so happy.
The Porsche name had been famous throughout the 20th century. Dr. Porsche started by designing electric cars in Austria, but his most famous exploit in the 1930s was to be the designer of the world-famous VW Beetle. By about the end of 1948, there was enough time to sit down and design the sports car they'd always promised they would build for themselves. Now, Porsche was a small company with little money behind them. They said to themselves, fine, we want to make a motor car with our own Porsche badge on it, but it must be based on the Beetle. The result was what they called Project 356, and this is where the name of the original, very famous rear-engine Porsche came from. When the world saw the 911 in 1963, most observers said that they could see where the heritage came from. The styling cues, the shape, the low nose, the long fastback, even the noise of the 911 was similar. For the late 1990s, Porsche seems to have abandoned front-engine cars. The 911 is going to be replaced fairly soon, but I'm told that all enthusiasts will recognise the replacement when it comes along.
Oh, this is crazy. This is absolutely insane. Here we go, we're leaving the dealership. Oh my God. I don't know what to think, what to say. This is nuts. Okay, first things first, we're taking the start-stop off. We've put the wing up, because I'm 12 years old. This is insane. Hey, I just don't know what to think. I don't know how to take it all in. I tried out the sound system as well. It's got the Burmeister sound system, which is at the highest level sound system. I really shouldn't talk much for my voice. But it's worth it today. It's worth talking. Mate, Alcantara steering wheel.
Yeah, the spec is insane.
Yeah, I'm just driving it in like normal, auto, everything. To be honest, how I'll drive it daily most of the time, because the aim of this car is to be a daily driver, which is an insane thing to say. Because we got 580 horsepower. Oh my god, this is ludicrous. Ah, it's comfortable, isn't it?
It is.
These seats are really nice and comfy.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to put mine a little bit more reclined. I need to set my seat up properly. Okay, you know what? I actually should be responsible and stop talking. It's getting dark as well. Tomorrow, oh, it's got the parking center. That's good. That's positive. Tomorrow we're actually doing like a 5.5, 6 hour road trip in it. So we'll have plenty of time to talk then. But right now I just wanna enjoy this. Thank you guys. This is nuts. I don't even know what to say. Let's go. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I can't talk too loud still because I recently had a voice operation, but I wanted to film this today because if you didn't see in the last video that we probably posted, I just picked up this brand, well not brand new actually, it's got 19,000 kilometers, but Porsche 991.2 Turbo S, a dream car of mine, and I'm so pumped. And today we're taking it from Geneva, where I picked it up, down to Monaco, 6 hour drive, first road trip. It's a perfect car for a road trip, and I figured this was too cool of an experience to not share with you guys. So we're gonna hop in because it's absolutely freezing here. It's like -1 degrees or something. And so yeah, let's hop in, put the heated seats on and get started with a 6 hour drive. We've also got a friend who's following us in his Citroën Berlingo behind. So we have to pass by Marseille with him, and then we're going straight to Monaco. But let's hop in, let's do this, I'm cold. Okay, let's go. Oh, your windows are... Okay, I got you. All right, here we go. We're in, so it's got keyless go, so I just need to turn this. Put my phone in for the sat nav. Now, you know what this car's got? It's one of the things that they updated the most on the second generation 991 is Apple CarPlay. So I just plug it in, leave my phone in here. Normally, Waze should pop up here, which is not there. It's still even got the screen protector thing on the sat nav screen. Okay, off we go. Resume drive. Yes. Here we go. When you have to pull onto the motorway, 580 horsepower. You just take off. This is so cool. Heated seats on, climate control on. We're gonna put the Burmeister sound system on. This is the best way to inaugurate a new car. We're doing a road trip. I'm so pumped. Okay guys, this is the first ever fill up. Well, it's not really a fill up, we're only halfway, but we figured we might as well fill it up. But look, I didn't know, but it comes with this cool like aluminium filler cap thing, which you just put down there. So this is gonna be interesting, half a tank. How much is it gonna be? It was doing 10 liters per 100 kilometers. I don't know what that is in miles per gallon, but it's really not that bad. So that's another positive to this, and it being a daily driver, is it's not quite as thirsty as my 430 Scuderia, which is very good. €28 liters, 47 euros, not bad. in now, I've been resting my voice a fair amount, and I've been told I can film a little bit, but I need to rest once I film, I then need to rest my voice for a while. So we're back now, and when my voice is a little bit better, I'm gonna do a full video on why I bought this turbo over, let's say, GT3, a GT3 RS, a GT3 Touring, mainly obviously because of the comfort, but I'll go into that more, and why I bought it over more comfortable or other comfortable cars like the Continental GT and things like that. There'll be a full video on why this choice was made, but it's justified itself so well on this drive. It's a really interesting experiment, kind of hopping in and getting used to the car in such kind of a long drive. It's kind of so intense, you get it and you're in it all day. And it's been really, really nice. It's really delivered. The adaptive cruise control has been so nice. It's so relaxing, doesn't make much noise. The Burmeister sound system is like one of the best sound systems I've ever heard. It's unbelievable. So you've had the music on the whole time. Apple CarPlay just makes everything so easy as soon as you have a call coming in or anything like that. So it's just so good for crunching miles. These seats are the 18-way adjustable seats. So comfortable. The heating steering wheel we discovered. The heated seats, everything, just even from the visibility of the car, it's been absolutely lovely. So yeah, we're arriving in not too long. We are exactly 59 minutes away, and yeah, I'm super excited. There's obviously things I'm going to do to this car eventually, but so far as a first experience, it's been really good. So only an hour to go, and we'll catch up when we get there, guys. We've made it home. First test is how easy is this compared to the Ferrari in my car park with the lift. First of all, getting in, piece of cake. We don't get kind of gassed out in here because it's got the start stop, so that's convenient. And I've got so many more kind of like radars. Would you call them radars? Beep beeps? What do you call them? Parking sensors, that's what they're called, not beep beeps. Right, let's go. This is so easy compared to the Ferrari. The turning circle's crazy. Okay, we need to take the Twizy and the bike out. All right. This is not going to be easy. This is going to take some getting used to. Okay. I'm going to have to do that every day. That's going to be a mission. Okay, so I've got loads of room on this side and I could have put it in further. Okay, so I basically just parked badly. It's good to know. I'm just going to put this back down for next time because I don't need it up. Okay. Right, well I need to get used to this car a bit more. Okay, you need it. You need anything out of it? Oh yeah, this is cool. Look, if the car is closed, because it's got the keyless go, look at this. Bang. Cool, apart from it leaves fingerprints on the front of your car, whatever. What a first day with my brand new Turbo S. Awesome, awesome to drive it like this. I actually still want to drive it, which is a good sign. And yeah, after 6 hours, 6.5 hours actually, I still feel super fresh. I feel like I could do another 6.5 hours. So thumbs up on the first day with the Turbo S. Going to be driving it again tomorrow and pretty much every day from now on. So thank you for watching this. Subscribe if you aren't already. We'll be filming plenty more with this car and others. And give this video a thumbs up. It actually really helps the channel. So that'd be great. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.